Part 2 na po tayo ng Unit Owner's Sad Stories in Dealing with Unscrupulous o yung pasaway na agents or SPA and Bad Tenants. This video is made to inform the unit owners and future investors of what is happening in condo rental business and to stay vigilant in dealing with both agents or SPA and tenants. So let's continue. Unit owners' sad stories on their rental experiences. Story ni unit owner number 5. This is the agent who contracted me for 1 year, 1 plus 2, and already got the 1-month commission starting November 17, 2021. This March 18, the patient or the tenant left without notice, leaving the unit trashed, damaged the walls, broke the bathroom doorknob, and a lot of missing items like rice cooker, garment rack, Korean plates, bowls, cups, glasses, etc. Unpaid water, electric, and cable bills. Upon breach of contract, the deposit is forfeited and the lessee should be paying the rest of the contract months plus the expenses for cleaning, disinfection, repair, and replace of damaged and lost items. But this guy was of no help. The 1-month deposit was not enough for all damages and expenses. Seeking legal suit for this cause they think they can always get away with it. Need your support and advice. Thanks. I-post mo yung mga pictures plus mention also yung markup na ginagawa ng mga agents. Like on my first experience, 60K bigay. Tapos, mas mataas ang kanya. At I was informed, boss, 1 person lang. Tapos naglagay ng maraming tenants without informing me. At naglagay ng bunk beds. Iniwang madumi ang unit, maraming nawalang gamit, nasira ang mga custom-made furnitures ko, sira ang refrigerator plus unpaid bills and violation. Here are some photos of unit owner number 5, messed up unit. This agent, ranting on my SPA. Out na daw siya after getting his commission for 4 months rent of 1-year contract. Saying referral siya and maraming walk-ins sa shore and he is out, not taking any responsibility of all damages. I already posted this picture and my previous tenant. FYI to all, I will send the original Chinese agent he referred called renting. Ito pang masakit, damaged wall. Saan pa aabot yung 1-month security deposit mo to cover for all these damages? Tapos, may unpaid bills pa. This is my tenant. My SPA told me last time they moved. They came from 10th floor. Beware of this. FYI to all. Ngayon, hindi daw mahanap yung Chinese agent. My furnitures were all custom made and fully furnished. Ang daming nawalang gamit. That was my mistake. Ginastosan ko ang furnishings. That's why I'm trying to reach them and settle, but they are not taking responsibility. So, ano po ang matututunan natin o yung lessons learned sa kwento ni unit owner number 5? Lessons learned number 1. Do not give SPA to agents, especially if you don't know them personally and a complete stranger that you found online or a YouTube vlogger. Giving them SPA means losing your full control of your unit, and that would be very risky. Give SPA only to trusted person. Lessons learned number 2. Unit owner must be in full control and must be informed all the time by its agent or SPA. Lessons learned number 3. Find an agent or SPA that is transparent to the unit owner in all its dealings and transactions. Lessons learned number 4. All permits, forms that are needed to be submitted to admin, example, tenant information sheet or TIS, check-in, check-out form, work permit, etc., must have the initial signature or approval of the unit owner before the agent or SPA can execute or implement. Lessons learned number 5. Find an agent, SPA, who knows how to manage your property very well with transparency, preparing inventory list, checking the unit during tenants check-in and check-out, and concern about the upkeep of the unit. Lessons learned number 6. Do a barangay blotter report to your tenant who did any violation on your contract or abused your unit, such as damaging your unit, stealing items from your unit, unpaid bills and no payment of rent, etc., and submit a copy to admin requesting to ban the tenant. Lessons learned number 7. Same thing with your agent or SPA who did any unlawful violation to you or to your tenant. To do barangay blotter report to them for not remitting payments, forging your signature for the purpose of cheating, getting more payments as markup that is not stipulated in your contract, and submit a copy to admin requesting to ban the agent or SPA.